video I'll be showing you how you can solve this question, maximum nesting depth of parenthesis, if this comes up in your interview. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe for this coding related videos. And we also have a complete playlist of top asked MNC questions of strings I'm uploading in a playlist, so you can watch it. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Maximum nesting depth. What we need to do, we will be given a string, and every time the question says that the string will be a valid string, valid parenthesis string will be given to you. And what you need to find is the maximum nesting depth. Okay, the approach you can take in this question is, if you have a counter, so at that time my counter will become 1 here, so I can simply update my counter. I have to update my max count. I'll have a variable that is max count, so I can keep 1, and this time this we encountered, so I'll write count as 2, max count is 2. And then when we are removed the count to 1, but max count will remain same as 2 is the greater. And then we encounter this one, so again we will increase the count to 2. Then it is not greater than max, so max will remain same. So again we encounter one more, so it will become 3. So now as count is greater than that, we will update here 3. Then again it will encounter this one, and then at last this 2 times, so it will again become 0. But we have this maximum count, what we have to return. This is a very simple approach. So let me solve it. I can simply take a const count equals to 0. So then I can take max count, and I'll just have it like 0 initially. Then I will iterate from starting to ending of that string. For that, what I can do, I can simply run a loop for that. For let I equals to 0, I less than s dot length, and then I can do I plus plus. And here what I will do, I will check if my currently where I'm standing right now, the current position in the string where I'm standing, if that is equals to this, then what you do, you can simply do count plus plus. If that is not the case, if that is the opposite case of closing, then simply do count minus minus. And every time what you do, you update the max count, that math dot max of whatever we have. Okay, this is small letter max count, and then count. If it gets a greater count, then only it will update, and every time any of this will be updating. Okay, either this or this will be updating. So I can return at last my max count. So if I run it, okay, it is having error, that assignment to constant variable. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to do a let, because const variable we cannot change. If I run it again, so it will accept, I think, because there is no error. Yeah, it accepted, and here you can see it accepted for all these cases. So we can submit our answer. I've submitted my answer, and it bits 46%, and it accepted 168 test cases. So for this kind of Leetcode videos, subscribe our channel, like this video, and also share this playlist with your friends. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.